we're a team of technical recruiters, our leadership team are engineers, so we're really good at qualifying, vetting our candidates. And because of our technical background, we're really good at testing that. We can also put our candidates through a skills assessment. Now this is unique to us, and this skills assessment is essentially a CAD test that's been developed by the Trimec group. At the end of that, we'll see a report, and it shows us exactly where they're at with their SolidWorks skill set. And it just means that with the combination of really good questioning and qualification, with the skills test as well, when we're submitting candidates to our clients, we're confident they're a good fit.
So sourcing the candidates, we ensure that we spend a lot of time with our clients to make sure that we've got a great focal point of exactly what they're looking for and to consult with you, essentially. We would take that information on board, we'll go away, and then we'll scout our internal network as well as additional resources that we also have access to, and do a thorough headhunting search to ensure that we capture all potential candidates that match the requirements that you're looking for, just to ensure that we cover all bases to get the best candidates for you.